Check it out, guys. It's snowing outside. Pretty cool. Looks kind of pretty, eh? Oh, man. And I'm heading to work. Just hoping it doesn't snow too much. I have trouble in my driveway, you know, because like a 1/4 mile long driveway, and they're calling for like a foot of snow, so it should be crazy. Wow, snowing pretty good out here. Crazy. Wow, it's sticking really good too, because I think it's rained for a few days. Pretty nuts. At the old boxing gym. Crazy. And somebody come out here and cleared a bunch of this. Kind of cool. Yep. All right, guys, I gotta get off to work, so I'll see y'all later. We'll have a little snow update here in a little bit for y'all. All right, guys, time for a little driving montage for y'all in the snow. Hope you enjoy it. Well, guys, still coming down. Look at that. Crazy. Check it out, guys. All the snow. Craziness, huh? Coming down. Well, it is slowing down a little bit, but still kind of snowing. Oh. Well, it's about 6 p.m. Forecast looks like it's supposed to snow all night and pretty much all morning and day tomorrow too. So that should be interesting. Hopefully we don't get stuck in my driveway. I'm outside now. I guess I don't need this. Anyway, I'm gonna go chill in the car. I've been out outside in the parking lot changing trash cans and not wearing the right shoes for that. Walking around in slush. just wearing tennis shoes. My socks are all wet. Shit. Anyways, I'm gonna go chill. Oh, look at all that snow, guys. And there's my car over there. The red one. Shit. It's crazy. Alright. Time to chill. Funny, like. See if the wipers can do it, guys. Come on, wipers. You can do it. It's not doing anything. Yep, not doing it. That's funny. Wipers is stuck. Anyways, I'm gonna just chill in my car here. Relax, charge the phone. Alright. Alright, here we go. Are we gonna do it? Almost. Ah, shit. It tried. Nope. Well, guys, I'm out here pushing carts. Gonna be late for the stream. Trying to get all these little loose carts. I've gotten hundreds of them. But we're gonna make it for a live stream tonight. It's really coming down. You can see I'm all geared up for it. What's up, guys? What's up, man? I just got off work super late. It's 11 p.m. Normally I'm home by like 10:30, 10:45, but I'm not even close to home yet. Anyway, I'm driving home and the roads are really sketchy and icy and snowy. Check it out, I'll show y'all. Well, guys, it's been a crazy drive. Holy cow. I didn't really slip much. I drove 20 like the whole way, and it's like a 55-mile-an-hour road. So yeah, I just use an extra caution because damn, look at these roads, they're so bad. Well, here's my driveway. Here goes nothing. We got a steep hill to worry about. Hopefully it ain't gonna be so bad. I'm gonna try. If I fail to go up the hill, I'll just have to try to park down here somewhere. Well, hopefully I can make it. Let's give it a shot, huh? Here we go, guys. Nobody's driving here. Nobody's plowing. It's a little bit of tracks I see, a little bit. Not very much though, yeah. All right, here we go, my hill. Just gotta try to keep a steady pace, and that way I can make it up. Here I go. Here we go, guys, here we go. Yep, I made it. Wow. And now for the rest of the driveway. Holy shit, huh? I did it, guys. I feel so accomplished. Oh my God. It's crazy. Crazy, man. Woo. Oh, what is that? Something in my way? Should just drive over it? I think so. Damn, look at that. Isn't that crazy? It looks cool, but just sucks when it makes it hard to drive, right? Oh my God. Ooh. A little bit of tire spin. Well, guys, we did it. Smash that like, subscribe if you haven't already, guys, and share this thing out if you guys can. Yeah, that was a crazy little adventure. Tomorrow morning, I don't know what's going to happen, if I'm going to be able to make it to work, if it's going to get worse or what. I guess we'll find out. Anyways, appreciate y'all. Like I said, share it, smash the like. Peace out, y'all.